Have you ever wondered what it takes to keep your legs strong and stable even at 94 years old? As we age, maintaining leg strength is not just a matter of mobility, but also of independence, confidence, and quality of life. However, many older adults notice that their legs weaken over time, making everyday activities like climbing stairs or standing for long periods increasingly challenging. But what if I told you that there is a simple and natural way to strengthen your legs and keep them firm and resilient throughout your life? In this video, we will explore 6 essential vitamins that can help older adults maintain strength and vitality in their legs. These vitamins not only contribute to muscle function but also improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and optimize overall mobility. If you've ever felt that your legs tire faster than usual or are worried about losing strength as you age, stay with me until the end. By the time this video is over, you'll know exactly which vitamins can help you stay firm, stable, and full of energy. And, most importantly, you'll discover how a simple daily habit, just 1 tablespoon a day, can make a big difference in the health and endurance of your legs. Don't miss the last vitamin on the list, as it is often the most overlooked, despite having a significant impact on muscle strength and endurance. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And if you enjoy this content, type 1 in the comments. If you think we can improve, leave a 0 to let me know and help optimize future videos. Now, let's get started. 1. Vitamin D, the foundation of muscle and bone strength. One of the most fundamental vitamins for keeping legs firm and healthy over the years is vitamin D. This powerful nutrient plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, bone health, and muscle function. Without enough vitamin D, muscles can weaken, bones can become fragile, and even simple tasks like standing up can start to feel increasingly difficult. Many older adults assume that leg weakness is an inevitable consequence of aging, but in reality, it may be a sign that the body is not getting enough vitamin D. In fact, scientific studies have shown that vitamin D deficiency is directly linked to a higher risk of falls and fractures in older adults. If you've ever felt unstable while walking, or that your legs tire faster than normal, it could be a sign that your body needs more of this essential nutrient. A simple way to assess this is to pay attention to how your legs feel at the end of the day. Do you experience unexpected cramps, weakness, or muscle pain, even when you haven't engaged in significant physical exertion? These are common signs of a vitamin D deficiency. So, how can you ensure you're getting enough of this vitamin? The best natural source is sunlight. Spending 15 to 20 minutes a day in the sun allows your body to produce vitamin D naturally. However, as we age, our skin loses efficiency in this process, meaning many people need an extra boost through their diet. Some of the richest sources of vitamin D include salmon, mackerel, eggs, and fortified dairy products. But this is where the habit of a daily tablespoon comes in. Cod liver oil. Just 1 tablespoon of this supplement provides an impressive amount of vitamin D, ensuring that your muscles and bones get the support they need to stay strong and resilient. And here's the interesting part. Many older adults who have increased their vitamin D intake report feeling more energetic, more stable when walking, and noticing a reduction in those annoying nighttime leg cramps. This is proof that a small change can bring surprising results. 2. Vitamin B12, the shield against muscle fatigue and tingling. If you've ever felt that your legs tire easily, weaken for no apparent reason, or experience tingling sensations, you might be suffering from a vitamin B12 deficiency. This nutrient plays an essential role in nervous system function, red blood cell production, and oxygen transport throughout the body, key factors for leg endurance and strength. When the body doesn't get enough vitamin B12, muscles don't receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay in optimal condition, leading to fatigue, imbalance, and even difficulty walking. The most concerning part is that B12 deficiency is quite common in older adults since, over time, the body loses its ability to absorb it efficiently from food. If you sometimes feel that your legs are strong, but at other times you struggle to stay stable, this is one of the clearest signs that you may need more vitamin B12. Its function is so vital that it even affects communication between the brain and muscles, which can cause that uncomfortable sensation of tingling or numbness in the legs. To increase your B12 intake, the richest food sources include beef, chicken, fish, eggs, and dairy products. But if you're looking for a practical and highly effective alternative, this is where the habit of a daily tablespoon comes in: nutritional yeast. This ingredient is an exceptional source of B12 and can be easily incorporated into your diet, sprinkled on food, mixed into soups or smoothies, or even used as a salad topping. Best of all, many people who have increased their B12 intake have noticed a boost in energy, improved balance, and a remarkable recovery in leg strength. Some even say they feel as if they've regained a decade of mobility simply by correcting this deficiency. So, if you've noticed that your legs have lost endurance over time, this might be the missing element in your diet. And if you're still here and finding this information useful, type 2 in the comments so I know you're with me. 3. Vitamin C. The secret to agile joints and resilient muscles. Have you ever woken up with stiff legs? Do your knees feel sore when walking? Or do your muscles take longer to recover after physical activity? If so, your body may be in need of more vitamin C. Although this vitamin is commonly associated with boosting the immune system, its role in the body goes far beyond that. Vitamin C is key in collagen production, a fundamental protein for keeping tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and muscles in optimal condition. Over the years, collagen production naturally decreases, leading to stiffer joints, less fluid movement, and even a higher risk of injury. If you've recently felt more leg pain, decreased stability, or increased fatigue, the cause may not simply be aging, it could be a vitamin C deficiency. And that's not all. This powerful antioxidant also helps combat inflammation in the body, one of the main culprits behind joint pain and muscle weakness. Without enough vitamin C, the body struggles to repair itself after physical activity, explaining why some older adults take longer to recover after walking or exercising. So, how can you ensure you're getting enough vitamin C? There are many natural sources of this nutrient, such as oranges, kiwis, bell peppers, and strawberries. But if you're looking for a more effective way to increase your intake, this is where the habit of a daily tablespoon comes in. Acerola powder, a superfruit with an incredibly high vitamin C content, provides a concentrated dose much greater than that of an orange. Simply adding 1 tablespoon to a glass of water or a smoothie can provide an immediate boost. What's most impressive is that many people who have incorporated more vitamin C into their diet report a reduction in morning stiffness, increased knee flexibility, and a significant improvement in physical endurance. Some even say they wake up feeling more refreshed, without that heavy leg sensation. If you've ever dealt with knee pain, slow muscle recovery, or simply want to keep your legs strong and agile, vitamin C is a must-have in your diet. 4. Vitamin K2, the key to strong bones and stable mobility. If you want your legs to keep supporting you firmly for many years, strengthening your muscles is not enough. You also need to take care of your bone health. That's where vitamin K2 comes into play, an essential nutrient that often goes unnoticed but plays a crucial role in properly distributing calcium in the body. Many people believe that consuming calcium is enough to keep bones strong, but without vitamin K2, that calcium may not reach the right place. Instead of strengthening bones, it can accumulate in soft tissues, leading to joint stiffness, poor circulation, and even an increased risk of fractures. In fact, a deficiency in K2 can, over time, result in problems such as fragile bones, leg pain, and a hunched posture. How do you know if you lack vitamin K2? If you've ever seen someone with visibly weakened legs despite having a calcium-rich diet, chances are their body is not using it efficiently. Without enough K2, calcium can deposit in unwanted areas, making joints stiffer and increasing the risk of falls. To ensure your body gets enough vitamin K2, you can include fermented foods like natto, sauerkraut, and certain cheeses in your diet. But if you're looking for a more accessible option, this is where the habit of 1 tablespoon a day comes in: natural butter or ghee. Just 1 tablespoon a day of these high-quality products provides an optimal amount of K2, helping to keep bones strong and legs stable. Older adults who have increased their K2 intake often describe feeling more agile when walking, experiencing fewer knee discomforts, and enjoying smoother mobility. Some even notice that their legs feel lighter and that moving around becomes easier and more natural. If you've ever been concerned about your bone health or have felt your legs losing stability for no apparent reason, adding more K2 to your diet could be the missing link you've been looking for. If you're still here and finding this information useful, type 4 in the comments so I know you're with me. 5. The energizing power of magnesium. The essential mineral for fatigue-free legs. Have you ever felt heavy legs, gotten tired easily, or suffered from frequent muscle cramps? If so, your body might be asking for more magnesium. This mineral is fundamental for muscle function, nervous system health, and energy production. Without enough magnesium, your legs can feel exhausted even after minimal activity. Additionally, it's common to experience nighttime cramps, restless legs, or unexplained muscle weakness. Magnesium is known as the relaxation mineral because it helps muscles contract and relax properly. When levels are low, muscles can become tense and prone to spasms. If you've ever suffered from sudden nighttime cramps or felt stiffness in your calves after walking, it could be due to a magnesium deficiency. Why is magnesium so important for circulation? Magnesium also regulates blood circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach the muscles in your legs. Poor circulation can cause sluggishness and make simple movements, like getting up from a chair or climbing stairs, feel heavier than normal. This is why many older adults who don't consume enough magnesium complain that their legs feel weak or unresponsive. How can you make sure you get enough magnesium? You can find it in foods like spinach, almonds, seeds, and whole grains. But if you want a quick and effective boost, this is where 1 tablespoon a day of pumpkin seeds comes in. This simple habit provides a powerful dose of magnesium, helping to relax muscles, improve circulation, and keep legs feeling light and full of energy. Many older adults who have increased their magnesium intake have noticed an immediate improvement: fewer nighttime cramps, greater stability when walking, and higher energy levels throughout the day. Some even claim they no longer wake up with stiff or sore legs but instead feel ready to move with ease. 6. Vitamin E, the key to optimal circulation and energized legs. If you've ever noticed that your legs fatigue too quickly, get cold easily, or even swell after sitting for a long time, poor circulation might be the problem. One of the best vitamins for improving blood flow and keeping your legs strong and revitalized is vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant acts as a natural blood thinner, helping blood flow more efficiently throughout the body, including the extremities. When circulation is poor, muscles don't receive enough oxygen and nutrients, leading to weakness, pain, or heaviness in the legs. If after a short walk your legs feel sore much faster than they used to, or if you experience tingling or numbness, your body might need a circulation boost. Why is vitamin E essential for healthy legs? One of vitamin E's greatest benefits is that it keeps blood vessels flexible and open, allowing oxygen-rich blood to reach the leg muscles more easily. This is why many older adults who increase their vitamin E intake notice that their legs feel lighter, warmer, and more responsive. Additionally, they experience less fatigue, can walk longer distances without needing to rest as often, and have less swelling in their feet and ankles. Where can you find vitamin E? Nuts, seeds, and avocados are excellent natural sources. But if you're looking for a more practical way to ensure you get enough every day, this is where a daily tablespoon of wheat germ oil comes in. This simple habit provides a high concentration of vitamin E, helping to keep your legs full of vitality. People who have increased their vitamin E intake have reported better stability when walking, reduced leg swelling, and healthier-looking skin. This is because vitamin E not only improves circulation, but also reduces inflammation and protects the body's cells from oxidative damage. If you've ever felt that your legs aren't as strong or energetic as they should be, vitamin E could be the key to changing that. If you're still here and finding this information useful, type 6 in the comments so I know you're following along. Now that we've explored the 6 key vitamins to keep your legs firm, stable, and full of energy, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Leg strength isn't just about exercise. It's also about giving your body the right nutrients so that your muscles, bones, and circulation work together to support you. Vitamin D keeps muscles and bones strong, reducing the risk of falls and fractures. Vitamin B12 supports nervous system function, preventing weakness, fatigue, and tingling sensations. Vitamin C stimulates collagen production, reduces inflammation, and keeps joints flexible. Vitamin K2 ensures calcium reaches the bones instead of accumulating in soft tissues, preventing stiffness. Magnesium fights muscle fatigue and cramps, keeping legs relaxed and full of energy. Vitamin E improves circulation, ensuring muscles get enough oxygen and nutrients. Incorporating these vitamins into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Whether it's a tablespoon of cod liver oil, a bit of nutritional yeast, a dose of acerola powder, a serving of grass-fed butter, a handful of pumpkin seeds, or a tablespoon of wheat germ oil, small changes can make a big difference in how your legs feel and function. The best benefit: visible results in just a few weeks. Many people who start focusing on these nutrients notice improvements within weeks. Firmer and more stable steps. Greater endurance for walking without fatigue. Less muscle pain and discomfort. A stronger, more energized body. When you give your body what it needs, it rewards you with energy, mobility, and lasting strength. Thank you for joining us today. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment sharing what you learned today and how you plan to apply this information in your life. Your participation is very important to us. Reading your comments motivates us to continue creating valuable content for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share it. Your support helps us keep creating content that informs and inspires. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.